Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how you can remove background from your images just with the help of a plugin. Okay, so first of all I have designed here a simple landing page for a plant selling website. Okay, so here I need an image now. Okay, so first of all, I'll click on this plugins here, okay? Then I'll go with the pixels plugin, okay? Okay, so I'll type here plant. So here you can see that a lot of images are there from where I can select one, okay? So let me select this image here, okay? Okay, no, I don't want this as a background. I guess I'll click on, yeah, so I'll leave this image here. Okay, so here, okay, so now what I'm going to do is, first of all, you need to scale it down. Okay, so just press K on your keyboard. Okay, and then just check it if, yeah, okay, okay, this is fine, right? So I want this background. I want to remove this background. So here I can see that remove BG. Okay, so simply click on run. See, done. With just a click I have removed the background here. So now you can place it. I'll just adjust the size here a little bit. That's it. Okay, okay, so this is how you can remove background and insert it in your landing pages or any of your design. So that is how that is it for this video, and I'll see you in my next video. And if you have got any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much.